Everyday English with Amel.
Do you want to improve your English fast and speak more confidently? Do you want to speak English more naturally and understand how people really talk? Great! In this video, we'll do 4 exercises. The first part is listening practice, and the second part is vocabulary and explanation. Then the third part is listen and answer, and the final part is shadowing practice.
You speak English? Yes, I speak English!
Now, are you ready to learn new expressions and make your English flow more smoothly? Let's get started.
Part 1, Listening Practice.
In this part, you're going to hear real conversations from native speakers. Just focus on the meaning, not every single word, and it will help you learn real English faster and easier.
You won't believe this. I just got a call from work. They're letting me go. The company is downsizing.
What? But you've been there for years. Are you pulling my leg right now?
I wish I was. They said it's effective immediately, just like that, out of the blue. I don't know what to do. My head is spinning. This is a disaster. I'm completely up a creek without a paddle. How am I going to pay the rent? The bills? We had plans.
Hey, take a deep breath. It's not the end of the world. We'll figure something out.
Easy for you to say. I feel like I'm starting from scratch again. All those years gone. This is a real kick in the teeth.
Look, complaining isn't going to help us turn over a new leaf. This might actually be a blessing in disguise. Remember how you always wanted to pursue graphic design full-time?
Now, when I have no income?
Think about it. You have some savings, right? Enough for a few months? This is your chance to go for broke. Use this time to build your portfolio, connect with clients. I can help you with marketing.
You really think so? Take this unexpected setback and turn it into my big chance?
Absolutely. It's going to be tough, but we're in this together. Let's start listing potential clients. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain.
Part 2. Vocabulary and explanation. In this part, I'll explain the words clearly, focus on their meaning, and give plenty of real-life examples to help you understand how they are actually used. Vocabulary. Pulling my leg to deceive someone in a playful or humorous way, usually as a joke. Examples. You can't be serious about winning the lottery. You must be pulling my leg. I panicked when he said the flight was canceled, but he was just pulling my leg.
We're both pulling my leg.
You're pulling my leg.
You are pulling my leg.
Stop pulling my leg.
Out of the blue, occurring suddenly, and without any prior warning or expectation. Examples. I hadn't spoken to him in years, and then he called me out of the blue last night. The heavy rain started out of the blue while we were enjoying a sunny walk in the park.
Like out of the blue?
Out of the blue,
It came out of the blue.
Up a creek without a paddle, to be in a very difficult or awkward situation without any easy way to fix it. Examples. If we don't finish this report by the deadline, we'll be up a creek without a paddle when the boss arrives. I forgot my wallet and my phone died, so I was truly up a creek without a paddle in the middle of the city.
Up shit creek without a paddle.
We're up poop creek without a paddle.
Well, actually, it'll be under a creek without a paddle.
We were down the creek without a paddle.
Kick in the teeth. A grave disappointment or a setback that feels like a personal insult or unfair treatment. Example. After working so hard on the project, losing the promotion felt like a real kick in the teeth. Helping him for months only to have him lie to me was a total kick in the teeth.
Kick in the teeth?
And so it's It's a kick in the teeth to have them go back on that.
Just want to thank you for the kick in the teeth.
Still want to kick life in the teeth.
Turn over a new leaf. To make a fresh start by changing one's behavior or attitude for the better. Examples. After years of being lazy, he decided to turn over a new leaf and start exercising every morning.
It's time to turn over a new leaf.
Just trying to turn over a new leaf, be a better person.
He wants to turn over a new leaf and he gives up the family business.
I'm going to turn over a new leaf in Spain. I'm going to turn over several new leaves.
Turn over a new leaf. Not open a new leaf.
Go for broke. To risk everything in an all-out effort to achieve a goal or achieve complete success. Examples. With only 1 minute left in the game, the team decided to go for broke and try a risky long pass. He invested all his savings into the new startup, deciding it was time to go for broke.
In that case, you go for broke.
I mean, if I'm gonna go for broke,
They don't know it's the whole force. Go for broke. Time to go for broke.
Part 3. Listen and answer.
In this part, listen carefully and try to answer out loud. Don't just watch silently. Say your answers first before seeing the correct ones. This will help you think faster in English, improve your confidence, and remember what you learn better. Great job for trying. Keep going.
Answer the questions orally.
What is the main reason Ryan lost his job?
The company is downsizing.
How does Ryan feel during scene 2?
Overwhelmed and worried about finances.
What does the idiom up a creek without a paddle mean in this context?
To be in a difficult situation with no easy solution.
What is Sarah's suggestion for Ryan's next step?
To use his savings and pursue graphic design full-time. What does Sarah mean when she says this might be a blessing in disguise? That something that seems bad at first might result in something good. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Now we're moving to shadowing practice. Listen carefully to the speaker, then take your turn and read your line out loud. Try to follow the same speed, pronunciation, and rhythm. Don't stop the video. Just speak along and do your best.
You won't believe this. I just got a call from work. They're letting me go. The company is downsizing. I wish I was. They said it's effective immediately. Just like that, out of the blue. I don't know what to do. My head is spinning. This is a disaster. I'm completely up a creek without a paddle. How am I going to pay the rent? The bills? We had plans. Easy for you to say. I feel like I'm starting from scratch again. All those years gone. This is a real kick in the teeth. Now, when I have no income? You really think so? Take this unexpected setback and turn it into my big chance?
Great job for completing all 4 parts. Now don't stop here. Come back to this video, watch it again, listen again, and repeat the sentences as many times as you can. Each time you watch, your English will feel clearer, smoother, and more natural.
So, repeat this video and watch it many times to really improve your English. And don't forget to subscribe for more real English practice like this.